Hi guys, welcome back to Triplezon. Today we are talking about the best mini travel folding umbrella. If you want something lightweight, stylish, and easy to carry that also protects you from strong sun, this one might be perfect for your daily bag. Let's take a closer look at what makes it so special. Let's get started. The Ligera Mini Travel Folding Umbrella is designed for sunny days when protection and style both matter. One of its key features is UPF 50+ sun protection. This means it effectively blocks harmful UV rays and helps protect your skin while you are walking in the city, relaxing at the beach, or exploring new places during travel. It gives you peace of mind under strong sunlight. What really makes the Ligera Mini Travel Folding Umbrella stand out is its compact size. When folded, it measures only 8.7 inches and weighs just 0.52 pounds. That is small and light enough to fit easily into a purse, backpack, or even a larger pocket. You can carry it all day without feeling extra weight in your bag. Even though it is mini and portable, it still provides excellent coverage. The 38-inch canopy offers enough shade to keep you comfortable while walking outdoors. You get both convenience and proper protection in one smart design. Another thoughtful detail is the matching portable storage bag. This makes it easy to store the umbrella neatly after use. It keeps your bag organized and ensures the umbrella stays clean and ready for the next sunny day. Style is also a big highlight. The Ligera Mini Travel Folding Umbrella features trendy gradient colors that add a fashionable touch to your look. It feels more like a stylish accessory than just a practical item. Whether you are dressing casually or going out for a day trip, it complements your outfit beautifully. The design focuses on both function and elegance. It is suitable for women and girls who want everyday items that look good while serving a clear purpose. The lightweight frame and smooth folding mechanism make it simple to open and close whenever needed. Because of its combination of sun protection, compact size, and modern appearance, the Ligera Mini Travel Folding Umbrella also makes a thoughtful gift. It is practical, stylish, and useful for travel lovers or anyone who spends time outdoors. Small umbrella, big comfort. If you want UPF 50+ protection, lightweight portability, a 38-inch canopy, and eye-catching gradient colors, the Ligera Mini Travel Umbrella is definitely worth considering. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more helpful product videos. See you next time.